The Sian Chay Medical Institution will have its first TV charity show in the institution's 118-year history. It will be held on the 7th of July at Mediacorp's MES Theatre.
Titled Sian Chay Bonding with Love, the show aims to raise $5 million through sponsorships, ticket sales and hotline calls. This is to finance its $7 million annual operating budget, as well as top up its Pioneer Generation Medical Fund.
The medical institution operates 15 clinics in the heartlands, providing consultation and medical aid to some 1,200 patients daily. It plans to open a new branch in Choa Chu Kang next year. President Halimah Yacob, who is also patron of the medical institution, will be the guest of honor of the charity show.